You can use Cash App without verifying your identity. As you can see right here, if I click on my profile icon, I have the option of verifying my identity. However, I have not done so already and I'm using Cash App. So how does this work? So if you want to use Cash App, then all you need to do is to have a mobile phone number or an email address. And then once you log into your account, you will have access to a bunch of different features. You can link banks, link debit cards, and also you can receive money requests. So for example, if somebody wants money from you, you will receive the request right here and you will be able to track your money requests. So you have the option of doing a lot on Cash App before actually verifying your identity. But if you want to have if you want to have full access to all of the features which Cash App has to offer, then you will need to verify your identity. But you can use the app without verifying for a limited amount of features. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.